gotta throw shorts on, and then I actually gotta eat my fucking thing. I'm about eat my thing. Go 4 minutes before meeting stats. Holy shit. Get goal. Yeah. 4 bites or less. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Weak, bro. Barack. Barrick. It's chill. Kent, thank you for the level up. Sparks. Bro, I missed it. What'd you level up to?
I would do those freaking honey garlic. Oh,
Sport that was supposed to be in there as well. Alimony and child support. She declined it. But you have to bluff them.